So let's say you have photos stored on your memory card and then you have connected your memory card to the computer. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go ahead and import out the contents from your memory card. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click on the import button right here, just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that the import option in Lightroom actually opens up. So you can see that it is actually loading right here, just like this. And then it'll detect out your memory card right there as well. So here you can see that it actually detected my memory card right here and then has opened it up right away. But what you can also do right here is you can see that there's the devices right here. So you can select it out from over there as well. So you can see that I can go ahead and select out my device from over here as well, just like this. So once you actually go ahead and do that, you can see that I can select out the individual photos and videos that I may have right here and import them out. So here you can see that you can choose to build preview right here as well, and then you can also make a second copy so that you don't actually go ahead and then import it out directly from the memory card, because whenever you disconnect out your memory card, it'll actually be deleted if you were to not copy it. So I'm going to make a second copy of it right here. And you can also go ahead and then select out destination, like let's say for example in C drive, or in my case I'm going to select my TuTube drive right here, just like this. And then let me just go ahead and import it out into images right here. So once you go ahead and select out the destination right here, what you can simply do is click on import, and then what happens is that it'll copy out the images out of that memory card right here onto the hard drive space. So you can see that it is actually copying. So it does take a bit of time because it is copying individual photos. And once that is done, you can see that previews has been made for it as well. And now these are the individual photos that I have, which has been copied to this particular folder inside of the TuTube drive. So this is how you can import out photos from memory card by using Lightroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.